My new video, I crash out. If I crash out again, okay, the door is just automatically. I don't know. First, if I crash out on this game, I will also do the same thing. But it's kind of funny, guys. Did y'all hear it? Like, bro, I was super crash out that I smacked it. Rate my funny video 1 to 10 in your garden, okay? Oh my god! 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 2 times about to get caught for real.